Hey, everyone. In this video I'll be show you how to insert a special character into your Google Doc. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right into it without further delay. To get started, open your Google Doc. Look for the Insert tab at the top of the page. Once you're in the Insert tab, you'll find an option that says Special Characters. At the top you will find 3 drop-down menus. First drop-down menu is not for symbols, it is other options. Then, second drop-down menu is for special characters. Then third drop-down menu is for sub-characters. For example, from second menu I selected symbol. Then third menu is showing various kinds of categories, currently currency is selected. So it is showing currency symbols. If I select arrow, now it is showing arrow symbol. It's similar to the character map you might be familiar with on a Windows computer. Simply select the special character you want, and it will be inserted directly into your document. There's also a cool feature here. If you draw a symbol on the right side, Google Docs uses a sort of artificial intelligence to recognize the special character you're trying to insert. Once it's identified, you can insert it into your document with a simple click on the left side. Pretty neat, right? So, that's how you can easily insert special characters into your Google Doc. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching this brief tutorial. If it helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. I look forward to catching you all in the next one. Goodbye.